Hazrat Ali mentioned about wasteful spending as extravagance in everything is reprehensible except in good deeds. Being moderate in poverty and wealth is the symbol of faith. According to Surah Bani Israel, ayat number 26 and 27, Wala tubazzir tabzira. Innal mubazzirina kanu ikhwan shayatin. But spend not wastefully your wealth in the manner of a spendthrift. Verily, spendthrifts are the brothers of the devils, that is, shayatin, according to Surah Al-Araf, ayat number 31. Kulu washrabu wala tusrifu. Eat and drink, but be not excessive. He will never be a pauper who works frugally and spends according to his means. It is also wasteful to spill the water after drinking. Man anfaqa shay'an fi ghairi ta'atillahi fahuwa mubazzirun. Whoever spends out of the obedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be considered wasteful spending. Inna minas sarfi anta kula kullama ishtahaita. Eating whenever you want is extravagant. Khairul amuri awsatuha. The best work is in moderation. Hakim Luqman said to his son, Ya bunayya, azaktul mararati kullaha falam azukku shayan amra minal faqr. I have tasted bitterness, but there is no bitterness like poverty.